Before we wrap up View components, I want to show a simple View project using components. It is called Harry's shopping cart. So Harry is getting ready for the wizard school. He needs shopping. And this is what his shopping cart looks like. Right now, there are 5 items in his shopping cart. What I want here is when I change this number here, either through plus, minus, or simply just put in the input box. I want 12 jars of dragon liver. This total price will change accordingly. Also, if I delete one item by clicking this cross, this total price will also change. But right now, since this page is a static HTML page, there are no behaviors. If I click, nothing will happen. On the left side in the VS Code is the HTML code behind this page. As you can see, all we have here are CSS and HTMLs. So this is the title, and here we have total and pay. As you can see, this number is hard-coded. That's why if I click, nothing will happen. Line 93 to line 144 shows the 5 items, their pictures, the numbers, and the cross. Our job is to convert this static HTML page to a View project. And in the View project, we're going to use the concept components. Before we move on, I want to say a few words about the purpose of this static HTML page. When a new software product is in its early development stages, one of the first big tasks is to come up with a prototype for the UI design. The easiest way to do prototyping is pencil and paper mockups, or we can design in the browser and make a mockup using simple static HTML and CSS. So the next step is to migrate from this simple static HTML page to your favorite JS framework. For example, Angular, React, or in our case, Vue.js. So we're converting the static HTML pages to Vue components. Let me talk about how I decompose this monolithic shopping cart into Vue components. I plan to decompose it into 5 components. The first one is called shopping cart. It corresponds to this entire shopping cart. Inside, there are 3. The first one is called cart title. It corresponds to Harry's shopping cart. The second one is called cart total. It corresponds to the total price and this pay button. In the middle, we got a component called cart list. Inside this component, there are several cart list item components. In each cart list item component, we got a picture of the product, product name, this minus, input box, plus, and also this cross. So all of those HTML elements will be defined in this cart list item component. Next, let's go to VS Code and implement those components.